Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want your search ads to stand out visually, image extensions are the perfect solution. They add images next to your text ads, increasing visibility and click-through rates. So let me show you how to add image extensions in Google Ads 2026. Now the first thing you want to do is to set up your Google Ads account. And to do that, if you haven't already a Google Ads account, you can create one just by going to business.google.com and linking your Google account to this area right here. And after that, you're going to click on the button Start Now. And you're going to fill in the information about your business and your website or URL for your business. Once you do that, you're going to be able to start campaigns and create ads. Now, after that, you're going to go to the assets. Here, you're going to click on the assets. And once you click on the assets, you're going to click ads and assets and go to the assets and click on the plus, as you can see here. And then you're going to choose images. Once you select image, you're going to add the image. You can upload new images, select images from your website, or use previously approved images. Google recommends high quality, relevant images. After that, the third thing is to assign the extension. You can choose account, campaign, or ad group and click on save. And make sure to use lifestyle or product images. Also, avoid text-heavy visuals and upload multiple image variations. And that's how you add image extensions in Google Ads 2026 and make your ads more eye-catching and competitive. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.